everyone, I am Shin Meko from 6 Graciousness and I'll be talking about DSA and why you should apply. Firstly, it gives you a learning opportunity. If you are successful, good for you. But even though you are unsuccessful, you can learn from your mistakes and in the future you can improve. Don't think that DSA is a cheating way. Many people have this idea planted in their heads. But that's not true. DSA can help you secure a place in your desired school and it helps you relieve stress for your PSLE. For DSA, you need to have evidence to show that you tried, that you have your passion to go to the school that you want. I'll be personally talking about my experience. I applied to SOTA, School of the Arts, Singapore. At first, I was reluctant to apply because I thought that SOTA was a school for the elite and it has very, very high standards. But after talks given by our teachers, I decided to give it a try. I wanted to pursue my passion in theatre and acting, so from the help of my teachers, I applied and got accepted into SOTA. Try DSA, give it a shot. Thank you.